Hello 2020 user, thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to place and change a wainscot door and face frame in Pinnacle. In your most recent cabinet catalog, we are going to go to the categories Base, scroll down to Panels, Back Panels, Wainscott D-FF, and this is where you'll find your wainscot door and face frame. We are going to left click and drop and drag it onto our floor plan. Once on our floor plan, we are going to left click, and this is now expandable so you can set your width. In this example, we are going to be using 72 inches wide. We are then going to right click on this panel and go into the attributes. Once in the attributes, you can change the width and height as needed, and this will then change on your floor plan as this panel is sold per square foot. In this example, we are going to show you how to add reveals left and right of the doors. To do that, we're going to go to the variables. We are then going to go to frame, and we want the reveals left and right 8 inches, so we're going to type in 8. And now you can see that we have reveals left and right of the doors. The last thing we need to do to this panel is go into the notes and type in what we are wanting to order so the factory knows how to make the panel. So this example is a base application. We want an 8-inch reveal left and right, and we want this to be 3 doors. You can hit apply and OK, and now we can place the panel on the back of our island. I will also show you how to put in a panel to use for a wall cabinet. We are going to use the exact same panel. We're going to left set it, and in this example, we're going to show 60 inches in width. So I'm going to type in 60 inches. I am then going to right click on the panel and go into the attributes. In this example, I'm going to show you how to do a 42-inch high panel with 4 doors and for a wall application. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the height to 42 inches so it will match a 42-inch high wall cabinet. We are then going to go to the variables tab. We are then going to go to dimensions, and to get rid of this bottom rail so it doesn't have a toe kick, we are going to change the bottom rail height to 2 7/16 of an inch. You will now see that the toe kick has disappeared. To change this panel to 4 doors, we are going to go to the quantity and change the door quantity to 4. Now, if you do need the top reveal to match a designer overlay or a classic overlay, you are going to want to go to frame and change the top rail height, and you will notice that we now have the top reveal. You can go in and change these to whatever you need. The last step is what we need to do is go into the notes. This is where you would type in that it's a wall application. We want 4 doors. And on this example, we want standard designer overlays. Thank you for your time, and we hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection, and be sure to let us know if there are other 2020 learning topics you would like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing!